How to clean the filter on your Dyson V6, V7 or V8. Now you could of course do it the Dyson way. Go along, run it under a tap and then wait a few days, hoping that it doesn't smell like a wet dog. If this sounds familiar, I'm going to show you today what might be hiding inside, and we're going to clean this thing so it smells amazing. Now if you look at your filter, there's three little tabs around the top that attach it to this main frame. If you get a knife that you'd eat your dinner with, and we're going to poke it into the clip and push down slightly, you might need to wiggle your knife too, and pull down on the filter as you do it. Then move on to the next clip, and usually once you've freed this second clip, the whole filter will just come off. Then you can pull the frame out and you might then just see what's hiding inside. Turn the filter upside down and tap any dirt out. Then we need to run a sink full of warm water. I'm going to just use some washing up liquid and loads of disinfectant. This is going to make it smell nice and kill any germs that's in the filter. The frame of the filter can just be quickly cleaned with a toothbrush in the water. Put that to one side to dry. And then the filter itself, now you've not got that frame on, you can really give it a good squeeze to get the dirt out. Once you've cleaned it for a minute, then you can put the tap on and just rinse it with clear water, squeezing any detergent out that's left. And now the aim of the game is to get this filter bone dry before you put it back into your vacuum cleaner as quickly as possible. If this thing stays damp for 3 days, it's going to start smelling no matter what, okay? So we get some kitchen towel and we're going to squeeze any moisture we can out of the filter itself. Then we're going to put it in a warm, dry place for 24 hours. If it's warm and sunny outside, that's great. If not, just put it on top of a radiator. The next day, when it's all dry, just slip the filter back onto the frame and clip those 3 clips into place again. Now, just pop it back in your vacuum cleaner and away you go. I hope this video has helped you. If it's put you in the mood for cleaning your vacuum cleaner, this next video is going to be right up your street.